Wait, stop feeding your plants right now. I know it sounds strange, but if you keep giving fertilizer in fall or winter, you might slowly kill your plant instead of helping it. Hey friends, welcome back. If you love your plants and want to keep them healthy all year, make sure to subscribe. I share simple plant care tips every few days. Alright, let's talk about why your plants go to sleep in cold seasons, why seasons change and dormancy begins. When the days get shorter and the light gets weaker, your plants can feel it. They sense that winter is coming. So just like animals hibernate, many houseplants slow down. They enter what we call the dormant season. Their roots stop growing fast. Leaves may fade or stop growing at all. It's their way to save energy and survive the cold months. During dormancy, your plant isn't dead, it's resting. It's repairing inside. It stores nutrients in roots and stems. This quiet phase helps it get ready for new strong growth in spring. But here's the problem. If you fertilize now, you're forcing it to wake up early. And that stress can cause root burn or weak growth. Why you shouldn't fertilize now? Fertilizer is like coffee for plants. It gives energy, but only when they need it. In fall and winter, they don't need extra energy. They just need peace. Overfeeding during dormancy can make soil salty, burn the roots and attract fungus or pests. So the best care right now is less water, no fertilizer, and giving them light and warmth instead. Before I tell you the perfect way to care for your plant in this season, hit the like button if you've ever overwatered or overfed your plant before. We've all done that once. Alright, here's what to do instead. Keep your plant near a bright window. Let the soil dry more between watering. And wait until spring to feed again. That's when your plant will truly thank you. Do you still fertilize your plants in winter? Tell me in the comments. I'm really curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next plant saving tip. And as always, may your plants stay green and happy, even in the coldest days.